Are you working 8 hours a day and still not making ends meet? Are you tired of this type of lifestyle? Guys, I have the solution for you. Hi, I'm Marita. I'm a digital marketer and I work online 2 hours a day from my phone, from my home, spending time with my family, my children. What more do you want? If you want me to help you also to build a better life for you and your family, to spend more time with your loved ones, just drop a yes and I'll tell you all about the Legacy Builder program. It's easy to learn. If you can read, you can learn. You get the guide step by step, helping you to build a better life for yourself and your family. Guys, what are you waiting for? I did it, you can do it.